Wednesday.
Hey.
Today we're just staying at home today. No events tonight, so we're just gonna be working at home at the rooftop lounge.
Yep.
We got done with a workout earlier and now we're just gonna have lunch. Lunch is served. Today is shrimp, scrambled eggs, and kale.
I did a lot of our invoicing and billing today, and I've also been booking a lot of stuff for our upcoming Alaska trip, so that's really exciting. And we have to do some not exciting stuff later, like food shopping.
Ordered this blazer from Polo Ralph Lauren last week and it came in.
Thanks for the blazer for me instead.
Alicia's modeling the heck out of it.
I really
It
like
looks good.
Thank you.
That's a nice way to wear it. Now I can now we can wear this, share this two for one. All right, dinner time, and this is where we usually eat our dinners. We got the coffee table, we bring it up.
Oh yeah, saving space.
And then we eat right here. Usually for dinner, we watch something on Netflix. Watching Parks and Rec again. Alicia is finishing up.
Almost ready, my masterpiece. I just have to do one more drawer.
Wow. So last week's video, I showed you guys the mess we had and starting to build a wardrobe, and now Alicia is finishing up the final drawer. This
Final steps of my process.
wow. Alicia did it. She built the entire thing.
I did it. How's the cleaning process been going, Leo?
It's good. Moving a lot of clothes from the dressers into that area now.
When Leah's been cleaning, I have been getting stuff ready for Alaska, so doing last minute bookings like car rental, hotel rental, tours, all that kind of fun stuff. So that was a little bit stressful, but now we're gonna get ready to go out. We have 3 events tonight.
All right, it is Thursday night. We are out and about to events tonight. First one is in Soho.
Yep.
And it's the GQ and Fila event.
Yep.
So heading there right now. So I'm wearing Comfort sunglasses, got the IWC watch, wearing an Express shirt. I'm matching the white and the blue with the sneakers and the off-white. Finished with the GQ Fila pop-up event.
Yep.
And that was a lot of fun. We got to see a lot of our fellow influencer friends.
So many friends.
Got to catch up with them and they gave us a nice goodie bag.
I love it.
A lot of good stuff. So now we'll head to our next event. Right now we're gonna go get some dinner and walking through Times Square. We're going to one of our favorite spots. It's Green Symphony. It's got a lot of healthy and good options. Let's go.
So on Instagram a lot?
Dinner time. We just got done with dinner. We're at our second event tonight, and it's at the Reebok event. So let's go on in. done with the events.
Yes.
And the last one was with Reebok, and it was really cool.
It was cool. They had like shoes and ice, they had an ice rink, and they're actually gonna send us shoes later, so that's cool.
Friday.
Hello.
We got done with the gym this morning, just had lunch. Today we're gonna head out to Dumbo. We have a coffee meeting, and then we'll be doing a photo shoot for Hugo Boss fragrance, and then that's it, right?
Yeah,
I think
all
so.
for Friday.
Friday, and then well, actually good news this morning. We are signing off on a few partnerships, so I should be going to LA right after Alaska.
Direct from Alaska.
So that's nice. It's always nice to get those nice emails and have new partnerships. So good day so far.
Great day. Okay, so right now we're looking for a spot to shoot. So Leo's going down to see if this view is gonna work. Hey guys, this is our Friday. So we didn't really film it, but we shot a project, and then from there we had to drop off something to the tailor, and we went food shopping.
Target run.
Target run. And then tonight I think we're just gonna watch a movie and
Chill night.
Yeah, chill night, right?
Popcorn.